Emma. It's Emma's birthday sleepover. Getting some last minute energy out. EJ, can you say hi?
Hi.
Emma, say hi.
Hi.
Okay. Oh, careful, Emma.
I'm okay.
Okay. Okay. Emma, who's EJ?
EJ.
Who's EJ?
Hello.
EJ, who's Emma?
Emma.
Emma, what is she to you though?
EJ. Bump my head.
You bumped your head. You okay?
Okay.
Is Emma your girlfriend?
Yeah.
Emma, is EJ your boyfriend?
Yeah.